Hello guys, ito ang Lakeview Campsite Mabini. 20 pesos lang ang entrance dyan, but it's 2 hours drive from Tagbilaran. Nakasama ko dito ang worship team ni Pastor Mark. Supposedly ano lang itong tour na ito, pero nilibre ko na sa kanila. Gasolinahan sana nila, pinalibre ko na. Shout out sa worship team ni Pastor Mark na sulit ang gala nila. 4 attractions ang napuntahan namin. From campsite Mabini, nag-proceed kami ng Anda, sa kami naligo, Kanda Cool Resort, yung dating Bugnaw Sea Public. Then nagpunta kami ng Lantay Hills, Gindolman. Last stop namin ang Stampa Mountain Restaurant. Sulit talaga ang gala, suko sila sa galaan. Gabi na kami nakarating ng Tagbilaran or Cortez, around 8 o'clock na, dahil madilim na rin kami umalis ng Stampa Mountain Restaurant. It's a really nice view guys. Kahit may taga Switzerland akong nadala dito, hindi niya ramdam ang init. Sa sobrang tuwa niya, halos lahat ng anggulo nagpa-picture siya. Maging sa kayak man, talagang nagpa-picture pa siya sa kayak. Mas maraming tao dito Friday, Saturday night. 2,000 ang per head dito pag nag-overnight. Magrenta ka pa ng tent or you can bring your own. Mayroon silang toilet, makagamit ka ng electricity. Pwede ka rin mag-order ng pagkain, pero pwede rin mag-ihaw-ihaw or magbaon. Anyway, thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on my next video.
Saan ang gusto mo? Patuloy ka lang sa mga pangarap mo. Nandito lang ako, gumagabay sa'yo. Huwag kang mag-alala, ituloy mo lang ito. Kaya lipad, saan ang gusto mo? Patuloy ka lang sa mga pangarap mo. Nandito lang ako, gumagabay sa'yo. Huwag kang mag-alala, ituloy mo lang ito. You never seen me need that team. So don't you buy me hands and beans in my present now. I'm the one skipping them skin, skipping them, skipping them skin, skipping them, skipping them skin, skipping them, skipping them skin, Remember the days of your breath and water, man. Remember the days of your hunger. But don't forget your roots and the counts and my buttons. And remember your place of shelter. Cause I ain't till with war and you can run. It's till with guns and gun your neck up. Cause I ain't thought you by the hands and feet in my blood and now thought you by the head. Skip it in, skip it in, skip. Skip it in, skip it in, skip school. Skip it in, skip it in, skip. Skip it in, skip it in, skip school. naughty body hands and the feet. My friends are now naughty body hands and feet. It helps to burn the bridges up behind him. My friends are now not to burn the bridges up behind him. Cause if you burn the bridges up, then there's a one check to them. That nigga dancing down with Sunny Legs, that's it. Cause naughty body hands and the feet. Because now naughty body hands and feet. And the house, skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, every dip, skip it, skip school. Skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, every dip, skip it, skip school. Skip, skip it, skip. Skip it, every dip, skip it, skip school. Skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, every dip, skip it, skip school. Sama dengan perempuan dengan suruh.
Revelation of Jerusalem, Shalom.